Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You already have data and headers. Now select the full range and turn on Filter with Ctrl plus Shift plus L so drop-down arrows appear in each header. Once done, choose the column that contains the cell colors or the values that match colored formatting. Make sure to scan for merged cells or hidden rows before proceeding because they break filtering. Then open that column's filter drop-down and look for the Filter by Color submenu. This is where you'll start isolating colored cells. With the Filter drop-down open, pick Filter by Color and then choose whether you are filtering by cell fill or font color. Select the exact color swatch that matches the cells you want. Once chosen, Excel instantly hides non-matching rows so you can work with just the colored subset. If multiple colors need combining, repeat on other columns or use custom filter to create logical conditions. Remember to save or copy the filtered results to a new sheet if you need a permanent subset. Filtered rows can be lost if you later clear filters. After finishing edits to the visible rows, use Reapply under Data to refresh results if you changed cell colors or values. Otherwise, clear Filter to view everything. If the color you expect isn't listed, make sure the cells use manual fill rather than conditional formatting. Excel lists only actual fill or font colors in the drop-down. If conditional rules drive color, convert results to static values by copying and paste special values, then apply fills, or temporarily remove conditional rules to make colors filterable.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.